In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete past trips on Airbnb. Whether you're wanting to tidy up your travel history or simply looking to declutter your account, today's quick tutorial will guide you through each step, making it an easy process to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Airbnb website. If you're not already familiar with it, Airbnb is a popular platform for booking vacation rentals and other travel experiences. So once you're on their homepage, the next step is to log into your account. To do this, look for the Login option. You'll typically find it at the top right corner of the website. Click on it and enter your login credentials. Be sure to double check your email and password so you don't run into any login issues. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your Airbnb account's homepage. Here, take a glance towards the upper right section and you'll see your profile picture. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is like your little toolbox of options related to your account. Go ahead and select the trips option from the list. This will redirect you to a page where all your trips are neatly organized. Now you want to focus on the past trips, so click on the Past Trips tab. This tab stores all your previous bookings which have already been completed. This could range from that family weekend getaway to the more exotic vacations you might have taken. So pinpoint the specific trip that you'd like to remove or hide. Once you've identified the trip in question, look for a small icon that resembles three dots located next to the trip details. This icon is often referred to as the More button, and it holds several additional options for you apart from just showing the trip itself. Upon clicking these three dots, a small menu should appear. This menu provides a selection of actions you can take, and among these options you'll find Archive or Hide Trip. By selecting one of these options, you essentially tuck away that particular trip from the main display, achieving a cleaner, more organized appearance for your account. And that's it. You've now learned how to successfully hide or archive your past trips on Airbnb, making your next online experience with the platform even more streamlined. Remember, archiving doesn't delete the trip permanently, but simply moves it out of direct sight, should you need to refer back to it later. I hope today's guide has been helpful for those of you wanting to manage your Airbnb travel history. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to share this with friends or fellow travelers who might find it useful. Until next time, happy organizing.